Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to move and copy entities. For this, we will use the sketch we created in Lecture 18, using the Mirror Entities command. Now let's go to the Move Entities option and click on the drop-down. You will see 5 options out of which we will learn the first 2 in this lecture. So select Move Entities. We use this command to move our geometry from one point to another in the sketch. Left-click and drag your mouse to select all the entities that you want to move. Now under Parameters, you will see from to. Click on the Start point, and we will select this. Now we will move the geometry up to this point. This is how we move objects. Now we will see Copy Entities. Click on Entities to copy, and select all the geometry you want to copy. Here again, it will ask from to. So select the Start point. And then you can create copies anywhere on the sketch without any pattern. The respective position of the geometry from the new point will be the same as the start point. I will click on this end of the line. OK. We use Move and Copy Entities command to easily move and create multiple entities without a specific pattern. In our upcoming lectures, we will learn how useful they are in modifying parts. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in the next one.